When most people think about essential woodworking tools, the table saw and the miter saw often come to mind first. But ask any professional woodworker, and they'll tell you one of the most powerful upgrades is the router table. A router by itself is versatile, but when mounted on a table it transforms into a precision machine. You gain complete control over your cuts, allowing smoother edges and repeatable accuracy. It also lets you handle smaller or more delicate pieces safely. One of the most impressive advantages is its capability to create flawless joinery. Whether you're working on dovetails, box joints, or dados, the router table gives precision and consistency. Instead of struggling to line up cuts by hand, the fence and table guide your workpiece every time. Another benefit is edge profiling. Think of times you wanted a decorative edge on a tabletop or cabinet door. On a router table, the workpiece glides against the fence for uniform, professional profiles. From roundovers to OGs, every edge looks like it came from a high-end shop. Safety is another huge reason to invest in a router table. When routing small or detailed pieces, holding a handheld router can be risky. The router table flips the process. The router stays put while you maneuver the wood. With feather boards, push sticks, and guards, you minimize risk and maximize accuracy. But a router table isn't only about precision and safety, it's also about efficiency. If you're building multiple parts that need identical cuts, set up once and repeat. Instead of wasting time measuring and resetting with a handheld tool, you get perfect uniformity. What surprises many beginners is how customizable a router table setup can be. Some woodworkers build their own tables, adding dust collection, adjustable fences, and lift systems. Others invest in commercial tables packed with accessories for easy bit changes and fine-tuning. Whichever route you choose, the result is the same. You're equipping your shop for better work. Imagine needing 10 identical rails for a cabinet. You set the fence, lock the stop, and run each piece with the same motion. Every cut matches the last, saving time and eliminating guesswork. Imagine building a cabinet where every joint is tight and every edge is smooth. That's the kind of quality a router table brings to your projects. It elevates your woodworking to a higher standard. If you haven't added one to your workshop yet, now is the time to consider it. The difference in quality, safety, and speed will speak for itself. Let's look at how a few simple setups can make you more efficient and more precise. Coming up, repeatable setups, customization tips, and a quick checklist to get you started. First, a quick checklist for repeatable cuts: fence locked, bit height set, stop blocks in place. Confirm the fence is locked and the bit height is dialed in. Set stop blocks or jigs for identical lengths. Run a test piece first, then feed the rest with consistent pressure. Tip 1. Use feather boards to keep steady pressure and repeatable contact. Tip 2. Connect dust collection. It improves visibility and accuracy. Tip 3. Jigs make repeatable joinery simpler and safer. Tip 4. Never skip safety gear. Eye and ear protection protect you while you work. If you build your own table, you can add dust chutes, built-in storage, and a lift system. A micro-adjustable fence makes tiny changes fast and accurate. Built-in bit storage keeps the right cutter at your fingertips. A lift system lets you set exact bit height without guesswork. These upgrades make everything from picture frames to cabinet panels faster and cleaner. Pocket grooves, panel profiles, and repeat rails all become simple with the right setup. The difference between a rough hand-cut edge and a routed finish is obvious. Workflow: measure, set your fence, test on scrap, then run your production pieces. This approach saves time and reduces waste, especially on larger builds. You'll find yourself taking on more ambitious projects with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, a router table will likely become a favorite tool. If you found this helpful and want more tips, hit like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite router table project? Try a few setups, start small, and you'll be amazed how much cleaner and faster your work becomes. Thanks for watching. Keep building, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more woodworking tips and project walkthroughs.